group discussion and personal interviews, which I have an understanding is a very important phase, when you pass it out and then you enter into the college. So you have been grooming and training students, to face a lot of situations like this, not into their career, not just the exams, but also into their, professional careers. So how does it differentiate between both, and what does it take for a student to be, to excel in this very important phase of their life?
It's absolutely true that it is definitely an important phase, but I would like to give an extension to that. It is not just the important phase of the time when you're taking admission. It is actually when you are framing your mind for your career. So when you are preparing for GD and interview, you should have an absolute clarity of your career story. When I say career story, you should be absolutely clear that what kind of career you are looking into, what kind of roles you are actually looking into. And post that, you decide a college, you decide a course, and then you prepare your mind for GD and interview. Now, what happens in the young generation, they think about their career story at the later stage, but they appear in colleges and they opt for a program, and later on they realize कि ये program नहीं करना चाहिए था, वो program करना चाहिए था. So while you are appearing for GD and interview, the first thing is that you should be sorted in your own mind. आपको क्लियर पता होना चाहिए कि मुझे इस इंडस्ट्री में, इस फंक्शन में सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ रोल्स में जाना है, and accordingly I have to frame my interview story, my career story, and accordingly I have to present myself in the group discussion. And then that's a second phase. But once you are sorted with your career story, you will decide that these are the colleges, and in these colleges, these are the respective programs wherein I'm going to apply for the admission, and then I'm going to appear for GD and PI. Because if you talk about PI, the PI is all around your career story. It is about why you opted for our college, why you opted for this program, and why you are here, what you are going to give back to the industry and community. So initially, instead of just thinking about only GDPI, only appearing for the particular course or an institution, you have to first have that clarity in mind. फिर आप चाहे कितने ही इंस्टीट्यूशंस में इंटरव्यू दें, कितने ही इंस्टीट्यूशंस के लिए आप जीडी करें, बट आपको अपनी थॉरो अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिल्कुल क्लियर होनी चाहिए. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, second aspect is that you should be very thorough with the current affairs of the industry, players, trends, and of your country at least, and also of international affairs. Whether you are appearing for GDPI now or after CAT in November, or after maybe next year in February, whenever you are preparing for GDPI, such an important phase, it is not the study of 1 month. You have to start preparing from now and then keep on applying in next 1 year as per your choice of, in your choice of institutions and in your choice of courses. I always tell people that when you are preparing for GDPI, please take a printout of the institution history and take the printout of the course you are applying, the content, because around that, the complete PI is going to revolve. And when you talk about GD, it is all about the current affairs, national, domestic, international, or the topic is going to be around MBA and its probability in the industry, in the market in next 5 to 10 years. So you have to be very, very thorough with these basic concepts. And when you are going through these kind of preparation, trust me, you will be prepared for any kind of GD and interview. Having said that, top 10 institution in India, outside India, the ball is going to be in your court.